Hi, good day everybody. Today I decided to come to the Dodge showroom finally to make some walk around video on this Dodge Charger widebody Daytona. What do you guys think about that fender flares? I want to share opinions here in the description below if you don't mind, because that front bumper and rear bumper, they look very much aggressive with those big vents. But I don't really understand that fender extensions. I think they are too big, too wide or something. Doesn't make car to look too bulky. Yeah, the face is very aggressive, definitely, no doubt in that. You can see there are no snorkels nowadays in the grille, but there is a lower splitter on the bumper. Yeah, looks nice as well. That's the thickness of the wide body flares. No visible rubbers in there. I think it's only silicone and clips, or maybe just the clips. That's the side skirts match with the flare. Daytona white body. Spoiler comes in white. Some detail shots here. That's new style diffuser. Those bumper vents. So the size of the rear tire, you can see from here. That's the rims. So tire brand is Pirelli. That's the rear tire. It tells that the size is 305, 35 ZR20. ZR means high rotation. ZR racing, high rotation tire. Okay. So the interior of normal RT is pretty much similar. Steering wheel is not in suede leather, just a normal leather. Dashboard looks similar to me. It doesn't have a carbon pattern over here. On the gauge, you can check, it's not 340, it's just 260. Center console have some small differences as well. Okay, the roof is also normal. It's not suede. So about interior is not much difference, not many things that you can tell. Even this kind of stitch is similar to what's made in Hellcat, but this one is just normal leather, that one is suede leather. There's some leather dashboard over here with that blue stitch, which only comes in a Hellcat. You can see that's a chamois steering wheel. Alcantara. Speedometer shows 340 kilometers maximum. Carbon fiber lamination. So this is just to see the difference between Hellcat widebody and the regular Charger. That's a center console. That's doors. Chamois on the doors as well. Suede leather. Let's show some difference in colors. That's a silver one charger. Regular size spoiler. It's old style diffuser. New one has some kind of press shape in the middle. Thanks for watching, guys.